Hello everyone! I've been receiving messages asking me to record a video on how to increase sales on eBay. I will go over 3 eBay tips and tricks to make your sales skyrocket. For that, I will need to call an expert. Hang tight. Let me go ahead and call Nahar to help us with some tips and tricks. Hello Nahar, how are you?
Hey Ella, how you doing? Great to see you. Great to hear you. I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good. Nice to see you as well. So I was wondering if you could share with us some tips and tricks to increase sales on eBay. What do you think?
Absolutely. There are a few tricks that can have actually very quick impact on the results. Have you ever heard about Spanish title?
No, but it sounds exotic.
Yeah, so actually using Spanish title can 10x your sales very quickly. So if you like, what I can do is I can jump into my computer here, share my screen, and show you how do you utilize Spanish titles and give another 2 tips on top of it. So in total 3 tips on how our users can increase their sales very quick.
All right, great. Sounds amazing. I'm actually looking forward to it.
Cool. So I'm going to jump over and see you there.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Bye.
Ciao.
Alright guys, so as I promised to you and Ella, I'm going to now give you tips and tricks on how to increase sales. The first one that I already mentioned in the call with Ella is Spanish titles. I think also this is the most powerful one because not a lot of sellers using it, but when I'm observing the data, almost every sellers that use Spanish titles and focus on product with Spanish titles have a very good performance. What I did, I prepared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sellers who are using Spanish titles. All of them dropshippers from Aliexpress to eBay, by the way. But it doesn't really matter because it's just open another opportunity for the people who are not dropshipping from Aliexpress to eBay, to people who dropship from US suppliers or from UK suppliers or whatever. The demand in Spanish language is huge. Mainly in the United States, where you have millions of people who search on eBay in Spanish or search on Google in Spanish for their products. So even if you dropship from local suppliers such as Walmart, Amazon, and Home Depot, you definitely should try this method as well. I know it's not something common, and I don't think actually never ever did it when dropshipping from local suppliers. But if it works for products shipped from China, from AliExpress, it will probably work even better when you ship the product from the United States because it will have faster shipping, right? So let's go through it and see the example. So I'm watching the first seller here. As you can see, this seller here generating $11,000 in sales in the last 30 days. You have 365 active listings and 744 sold items. It's 203% sell-through rate. This is a very good performance for a seller. And if I scroll down and look on his product, you will see that most of his top selling products are Spanish title products. So the first product here is a man watch. So it's in English. The title is Man Trendy Ultra Thin Minimalist Watch. But the second one is a Spanish title. Take a look. Zapatos deportivos de suela gruesa para mujer. Okay? And the other one here. Camiseta con estampado. And another one. And another one here, and another one here, and he's focusing on a lot of Spanish title here, okay? Now he mixed some of his listings with English titles, some of his listings with Spanish titles, but you can see how strong they are selling. For instance, this one, Vestidos de Fiesta Cortos Vestido, sold 12 times in the last 30 days, 40 times lifetime. The Pulseras para Hombre Mujer, sold 19 times in the last 30 days, 284 times lifetime. Zapatos Deportivos, 33 times in the last 30 days, 167 times lifetime. Now, I don't have a way to filter only the Spanish titles here, but if you will go through his listings, and he have 4 pages here, and if you will go through all his listings, you will find a lot of Spanish titles that performing very well. And why is this? Because the competition is lower. As simple as that. There is less people listing products with Spanish titles. Another things we can learn here from analyzing him, and I will show you also on the other sellers, that most of the product that's selling well with Spanish titles are fashion product or cosmetics. So either clothes, shoes, shirts, pants, whatever, or cosmetics products. Now let's look at another seller here. This seller here generating $22,000 in sales in the last 30 days. You have a lot of items, 5,810 active listings, 1,375 sold items, 23% sell-through rate. Also good for this amount of active listings, is very good. He's generating high revenue. He's making a lot of profit, this guy. And if we scroll down to the result, we will see again. Rivet Nut Stress. So this is English. Here it's another cosmetic product. Princeles para Acrílico Kolinsky. Okay, so it's another Spanish title here. These are English titles. Another Spanish title, Luz LED Solar para Exterior con Sensor. You see they're all generating very good sales. Another cosmetic here in Spanish, etc. And if I will go and look on all of them, for example, this guy generating $14,000 in sales. Again, he has Spanish titles, a lot of Spanish titles, and they are selling very well. This one, for example, Recortadora de Barbara, 6 sales in 30 days, 57 lifetime. The second one here, 8 sales in 30 days, 26 sales lifetime. And if I look on all of them, you will see they all have a lot of Spanish title here and another Spanish title. And if you scroll down, you get more Spanish title here. And yeah, they're all very successful, as you can see. $7,000 in sales in 30 days. This guy, $23,000 in sales in 7 days. Again, he combined English and Spanish title. For instance, this product here, Brocha para Base de Maquileja con Forma. 13 sales in 30 days, 14 sales lifetime. And more products with Spanish titles. So I've showed you Spanish title works. It's something that if you are not yet doing, you should definitely do. If you dropship from Aliexpress to eBay, it's even easier for you because you can just get the titles from Aliexpress in Spanish. Actually, if you're dropshipping from Walmart or from Amazon, you can still get the Spanish titles. You can still get the Spanish title. You change the language to Spanish. They're all supporting in Spanish. You can get the Spanish title. You can use the supplier titles. This is another tip to say that if you use Spanish titles and you're not Spanish speaker, don't try to write the titles yourself. Use the supplier titles so there is no mistakes, okay? But you can follow competitors like this one. And what you do is you see what they're selling and you bring same things or similar things. And if you want to find sellers who work with Spanish title, all you do is you go in here to the product research. You can either choose here shipping from United States or shipping from China, depends on your suppliers. You can write your keyword. I can give you an idea for keyword, and it's zapatos. Zapatos is boots in Spanish. You can use this to start, search, and then look for other sellers who use Spanish title in their listings. So you'll see if you search for zapatos, a lot of products will come up in the result. And then what you can do is you can scroll down and see, okay, who is using his Spanish title? Let's try to snipe their product. And if you are dropshipping from US, then you try with the US shipping location. If you dropship from China, you change here to China and you write zapatos the same way and you will do the same search and you will get the same result. And once you get the result, you filter the dropshippers out, you go and you snipe their product. So I will come here, I will click here dropshippers only, and you will see a lot of dropshippers here who dropship product from AliExpress to eBay with Spanish titles, okay? And then you just click on the scan seller button and you go and you analyze their products and you snipe their Spanish products. Very simple. You just go and snipe their Spanish products. This guy, for instance, let's see his last 30 days sales. Have $2,000 last 30 days, very young seller. Almost all his top selling products here are Spanish. So yeah, so this is how it works. So this was tip number 1. Work with Spanish titles, all right? Spanish title is tip number 1 to increase sales. Tip number 2, scale your winning products. So if you have already one successful product, you can go and list more winning products. And I've made video about it lately. You can find this video in the YouTube channel. I'll also make sure to add link to the video in the description so you can learn how to scale your winning products. Let me show you an example what is to scale your winning products. So we're looking on these sellers, right? $11,000 in sales is doing very well. Now, let's look into his product here. I increase the size of the screen. And let's see if there are products repeating. So you have this shirt here, another shirt here, right? You have this bracelet. If we scroll down, we see another shirt, but this is for women. We see cup here. We see another women dress, another women's shirt, another men's shirt, another cup. And this is what he did, another pants. And this is what this seller did. This seller just find out what 1 or 2 products that's selling well, and then went and brought more similar products. And look, another similar shirt with a short sleeve. We have here another cup, another bracelet, another cup, another bracelet. What he did, he find one winning product and he start to go and bring more the same product. So you don't just go and bring many bracelets. You list different products. You go and you list random, all kind of products, okay? Once you have one product that's selling very well, you go to your supplier and you bring similar products. You bring cups in different styles, with different colors, with different materials, with different brand. With fashion, this method can work very well. Same with bracelet. You go and bring different bracelets, okay? But you see that this seller is doing very well with these methods, and we see success, and we see a lot of product that's repeating. Another cup, another shirt, another cup, another bracelet. You see, he grow himself, he grow his store branches to places where he can generate more and more income, more and more sales, more and more profit, cover more advertisement placements on eBay. Because imagine if someone searched for Pulseras para Hombre on eBay, and then out of 100 listings, instead of having just one listings on the top of the search result, you have 5. What is your chances to sell this product? Higher, right? Now, why it's easy for you to rank the product there? Because you already listed one product, you found the right title, the right pricing, the right model that work. All you need to do is go bring similar products, use similar title, and that's it, you're good to go. And this brings me to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is about creating your title. So if you know that this product selling very well for you, okay, this product selling very well for you, what you want to do, let me show you how the example here. So we have different bracelets here. Let's bring all the different bracelets. Okay, this is another good example. Okay, so we have 3 good examples. So let's move this away. So this is the first one. So you see that he listed this product with pulseras para hombre, mujer, unisex, fina, de moda, excelava. I don't speak Spanish, but it doesn't matter for this example. I want to show you the difference on the other one. This title almost the same. And this title almost the same as well. All what he did was changing 2 or 3 keywords. That's it. So what you do when you list similar products, you just go, you take the title of your winning product, and all you do, you change 1 or 2 things that define the product. Color, material, style, but the pulseras para hombre, mujer, unisex, fina, de moda, esclava is almost the same. Take a look. Pulseras para hombre, mujer, unisex, fina, de moda, esclava. Pulsera para hombre, mujer, unisex, fina, de moda, esclava, right? Take a look here. Pulsera para hombre, mujer, here he made a little change. Probably because it's a different model. But because these are 2 very similar, he used almost same title, and he only changed something in the end. Okay? This guy here, he didn't even change anything. It's the same title. Wow. Here he didn't even change anything. I suggest you to change something always a little bit. So these are the 3 tips. Use Spanish title. Okay, because if you use Spanish title, you see this seller is generating a lot of profit. This seller making a lot of profit. So use Spanish title. You can do it from Aliexpress. You can do it from United States. You saw that when I went to the product research and I search here on the product research for zapatos, okay, and I use product ship from United States and I click search, take a look, guys. There are already dropshippers that do it. I was thinking there's not too many people doing it, but there are still dropshippers doing it. So you can already go and snipe the winning product. So I will go here and click dropshippers only and take a look. This guy here, the Eagle 995, is dropshipping from United States and he's using Spanish title. And he's probably dropshipping from Amazon, right? Or something like this, or Walmart. So this method is powerful for dropshipping from AliExpress, dropshipping from China, everywhere that there is demand with Spanish title. Now, if you dropship from China, you ship worldwide, there is a lot of people who will buy from you. There is South America, everyone speaks Spanish. There is Spain, everyone speaks Spanish. And there is millions of Spanish speakers in the United States. If you dropship from United States, you target the US market. There is enough Spanish speakers in the US. If you sell from the UK, I never tried it. I don't know. I cannot give you input about it, but you have to try it out. Now, scaling your winning product, it's powerful as well because it helps you build branches of strong categories within your store. Then you can reorganize your stores with categories, increase SEO, increase conversion with cross-selling. So definitely very good to focus on specific niches, but do it in the scaling your winning products method. Don't just go and randomly pick similar products. Go list one product, see if this product is successful, list more, etc. And about your titles, it's clear. If you're scaling a winning product, take the title of your winning product and just change specific keywords that define the new product, but keep the roots of the title the same. The keywords that drive the traffic are all usually the same. So I hope, guys, you learn from these 3 tips. And if you like this concept of videos of giving you different tips from time to time, let us know. We will create more videos like this. You can leave comment in the comment sections below. One last thing before you leave, guys. If you find this video valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Do us this favor, it helps us get more exposure to our channel and the videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
Wow, thank you so much, Nahar. So much value in your tips. As always, I'm sure many people will benefit from this video. Good luck, guys, and I will see you in the next video.